If Mozilla Firefox is not opening on your Windows computer, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get Firefox running again, from ending stuck background processes to resetting network settings and checking security settings that may be blocking it. These steps are easy to follow, and you can try them one by one until Firefox opens normally again. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when new tutorials go live. Let's begin with the first and most common fix. Sometimes Firefox is already running in the background, but it gets frozen or stuck, which prevents it from opening properly. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of running apps and background processes for anything related to Firefox. If you see Firefox running, right-click it and choose End Task. This forces the browser to close completely and clears out any frozen session that may be causing the problem. After ending the task, restart your computer. A full restart is important because it clears temporary glitches and gives Windows a fresh start. Once your PC boots back up, try opening Firefox again and see if the issue is fixed. If Firefox still will not open, the next step is to reset your network settings. In some cases, corrupted network adapters or Winsock settings can stop Firefox from connecting properly, and that can sometimes affect whether it launches correctly. To do this, click the Windows Start menu and type CMD. When you see Command Prompt, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. A black command window will open. Type Netsh Winsock Reset and press Enter. Windows will process the command and reset the Winsock catalog. Once it finishes, restart your PC again. After the reboot, open Firefox and test it one more time. This step often helps when browser issues are tied to network corruption or internet-related configuration problems. Now let's move on to updating Firefox. An outdated browser can sometimes refuse to open properly, especially if there is a bug in the current version. To check for updates, launch Mozilla Firefox on your computer if it opens at all, even briefly. Then click the menu button in the top right corner, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, go to Help, and then click About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will begin downloading and installing it right away. Let the process finish completely. Once the update is done, restart Firefox and see whether it now opens without any issues. Keeping Firefox updated is one of the easiest ways to fix launch problems and improve stability. If Firefox still refuses to open after that, another thing you should check is Windows security and its exploit protection settings. Sometimes a security rule or program-specific setting can interfere with Firefox startup. To review this, press the Windows key and search for Windows Security. Then open the app. Inside Windows Security, go to App and Browser Control. After that, click Exploit Protection Settings. In the Exploit Protection window, open the Program Settings tab. If Firefox appears in the list, select it and then click Remove. This removes any custom protection rule that may be affecting the browser. After removing the setting, close the windows and try launching Firefox again. If none of those methods worked, I recommend one final restart of your computer before testing Firefox again. A clean reboot can often resolve whatever temporary conflict is preventing the browser from starting. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are: end any frozen Firefox process in Task Manager, restart your computer, reset Winsock using Command Prompt, update Firefox through the About Firefox page, and remove any conflicting Firefox settings inside Windows Security. One of these steps usually solves the problem. If this tutorial helped you fix Mozilla Firefox not opening in Windows, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. If you want, I can also make a follow-up guide showing how to fix Firefox when it opens and immediately closes, or how to repair Firefox profile errors on Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.